Hello everyone, it's Gabrielle and Ben here at Oxmoor Chrysler. You all, we have some exciting news. So we have the beautiful 2022, this is the Jeep Wagoneer here at Oxmoor Chrysler for sale. Very exciting. We did a video, I'd say about a month ago, on the Wagoneer and Jeep Grand Wagoneer, and that was just kind of like a preview. We hadn't gotten any.
Exactly.
So it is really cool that this is here. And so Ben's going to talk a bit about this one.
Yeah, absolutely. So yeah, we're very, very fortunate to have a Wagoneer here so early. A lot of dealerships, I'm part of a number of Facebook groups, a lot of dealerships have not received them yet. And so this is our first one. Now, we did that video about a month ago, like Gabby had said. That was on the Grand Wagoneer. This is the Wagoneer. Now, size-wise, they're exactly the same. Major differences have to do with some of the bells and whistles, and then especially what's under the hood. So on the Grand Wagoneer, you had a 6.4 liter V8 naturally aspirated. This one is a 5.7. It's the Hemi underneath the hood here. Obviously, you can still tell it's got the beautiful styling with the Wagoneer, the iconic 7-slot grille on the front here. You've got sensors, radars, cameras up front that are very neatly discreet on the front fascia of the vehicle. Moving on to the side here, you can notice on the interior here, you have that new, really big and beautiful 5th generation Uconnect display in the center. This one is equipped with the passenger entertainment center on the right side as well. And then in the second row, you also have your entertainment systems for the second row passengers as well. That is run with Amazon Fire, so you can stream movies, TV shows, all that good stuff as well. And then obviously, being a big body on frame vehicle like this, you do have your power lift gate as well as your third row as well. This one does have the cargo net. So the third row is all automated. You've got buttons right here to be able to lay the seats down, give you some extra storage room. This one does have the Alpine stereo system, a tri-pane panoramic sunroof, 2 panes of glass up front for the first and second row, and then even thinking of the third row as well, having a pane of glass for that one as well. So really nicely equipped Wagoneer, and like I said, we're very fortunate to have it here.
Yeah, definitely. Well, thank you so much for taking the time to show it off, and hopefully someone is driving down here to get it right now. All right, you all, thank you so much for watching, and if you have any questions, feel free to let us know. All of our contact info is right here. Thanks, you guys. Bye.